小世界很不简单，有很多事情我不明白。这个世界真是奇妙，让我们对着天空问声why。
为什么呢？
小虫虫有大智慧，你别在那儿独自发呆，快让脑筋转动起来，你要的答案就在面前。
大家一起来吧！
小虫虫，到了开动脑筋的时间。小虫虫，睁大你的双眼。小虫虫，看看这个小世界。小虫虫，小脑瓜再次重叠。小虫虫，奥妙无穷的世界。
小虫虫有大智慧。
Joe Croker, your friend, Joe Croker. Oh, ta-da! In the last episode, we were shown the conductivity of metal by Cosmo. And what will we be learning about today, I wonder? When we learn together, we have real fun. So sit back and relax and enjoy the show.
La 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 la. Oh. Oh, that's so nice. Huh? Hey, that was Bartleby. Hey. Hey, Bartleby, where are you? Bartleby, it's me, Sparkle. Hey, Bartleby! Huh? Well, gee, how come I can't see the guy? Bartleby, just slow down for 1 second. Bartleby! Bart! Huh? I finally found you. Huh? Oh, no! Well, you're certainly not Bartleby.
Well, hey!
Huh? Who are you, huh?
Mr. Hummingbird! And this is the first time I've been to this flower patch!
Ah, well, nice to know ya. I'm Sparkle, and I gotta say it's the first time I've seen a bee like you. I thought you were my friend Bart, but, gee, you look a little different from him. I guess you look, well, somewhat odd.
Sparkle! I'm no honeybee. I'm a bona fide bird.
Huh? Say what? You're a bird?
Uh-huh.
Huh? But... Well, that can't be. No way.
Sparkle! What should I do to convince you?
When you don't know what to do, shout out to the mighty insect girl. Hey, let's see. Hey, let's see. Float with me. Float with me. Take a lesson from a super busy bee. Hey, let's see. Float with me. Listen positively more. Roll free. Oh, she just said that she's not a honeybee? That's so strange. Yeah, that's right. And it didn't matter what I said. She still thinks she's a bird. Bart, come down with me and look. Hey, wait for me. Oh, that's her right there. Oh.
Wow! This place is full of surprises! Yeah!
Oh, but how could a bird be this tiny? Maybe it's just like me thinking I'm a boy. Don't worry, Sparkle, I'll figure it out. You see, birds have characteristics that help distinguish them from honeybees like me. Ah!
Look, guys! I flap my wings just like any other bird does! And I can fly a lot farther than any old insect!
But Bartleby, look! I remember it like this. Most birds seem to fly like kind of just, and their wings move. I mean, they actually flap, like, you see? Let me see. Oh.
Wow! Well, Bartleby, you do make a similar sound with your wings.
That's true, but I still have a beak on my face, and he's a bee.
And so?
I'm still not convinced that she is a bird.
Really? Good.
This is really quite confusing. Tasty. Oh.
Slurp! Best nectar ever! Nectar's always a hummingbird's favorite, don't you know? We travel all over to find it!
We honeybees love nectar too. We gather it and then we turn it into delicious sweet honey. Honey is essential for us.
Bartleby, we sure do have a lot in common!
Yeah.
Okay, so this we can say with no doubt. You and Bartleby are cousins. You're not a bird.
Huh? What? Yahoo! I hope you'll believe that I'm a bird now. I don't think an insect can fly as gracefully as I can. Woo-hoo!
Wow, that's great. Oh, look at Bart, look. Now that gal, she's flying. Look at that style. Now she's awesome.
Sparkle, I don't usually fly like that, but I can give it a try.
Wow.
Whoa, yeah!
Whoa!
Wow, Bartleby, that was really neat. Everything she can do, you can do just as well.
Oh, well, it appears you did match me trick for trick.
More evidence that you're not a bird.
You're definitely a
bee. Sparkle's right.
Hey guys, how about I ask another bird for confirmation about my birdhood? There's one over there. Follow me. Ahem. Hi there, I'm Mr. Hummingbird. Could you do me a favor and tell my friends here that I am in fact a real bird and not some stinking honeybee? They're confused. Thanks.
Huh?
Excuse me, could you help a brother bird out?
What's that? You claiming to be a bird? I've never seen a bird so small.
Oh, don't tell me you agree with them. Can't you tell your own kind when you see one? A hummingbird is still a bird.
Claiming to be a bird?
Go ahead and laugh. I'll find a way to prove myself.
Are you killing me?
Leave me alone.
Hummingbird, where are you going? You know, it's not as hard as you think it is to be a bee.
Not a honeybee. I'm a bird. Huh. And I'll find the evidence to prove you guys wrong.
What? Evidence? What is she talking about?
Bartleby, where'd she go?
She's gone. Let's hurry.
Hey, Bartleby, wait for me.
Oh, proof. Where am I supposed to find proof around here? Oh, I know. Got it. I'll show them how I drink nectar from my beak.
Look at you! Birds aren't made to drink nectar.
You? Oh, just because you can't do it, I'll find the proof I need. Oh, I have to think of something that distinguishes me from honeybees. Huh. Oh, what's this thing? Oh, this looks like it's a feather. A feather? A feather? Ah, that's it! Now I have the hard proof I've been looking for the whole time! Yeah!
Hey, Bartleby. Oh, I wonder what kind of proof she's going to bring back to us, Bartle.
No idea.
So then, do you really think she's a bird?
In my opinion, certainly not.
Bartleby! I'm back! Look here! It's the proof I promised!
Huh? A single feather?
Yep, and it's rock solid evidence!
So, this is your feather?
Huh? Not exactly!
Huh?
Now, just take a closer look at them. You see? Both are essentially the exact same, except for the color and size.
Oh,
Huh?
wow!
Oh, Bartleby, that's a real feather and it's from a real bird.
Yeah, and it's pretty much common knowledge that birds have feathers and bees don't.
Oh.
So why didn't you show us earlier?
Well, I may be a bird, but my brain's the size of a peanut.
Well, Birdie, can I have a closer look at them?
Wow, Hummingbird, we're so sorry. I don't know how on earth I managed to miss this obvious piece of evidence. You truly have the most perfect feathers for flying.
Gee whiz, do you know that you are the most beautiful bird in the world?
Thank you! Thank you! I'm just glad we solved this identity crisis.
Wow! So she can live on nectar just like we can, Barty. Say, that sounds about right.
Yeah!
So I was thinking, why don't we go have a nectar picnic under the sun?
Excellent, Bartleby!
Let's go! Hey, curious buddies! Hummingbirds are the smallest birds in the world, and they have amazing flying skills to make collecting nectar easy. Sweet! In the next episode, we're going to be talking about pigeons. I can't wait! It is said that pigeons can navigate long distances without getting lost. Do you know what makes them so special? We'll tell you about it next time.